guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing different hairstyles that you can do with knotless braids. I have had my braids in for about 2 weeks, I think, or like around 2 weeks, I believe. This is how they look. Yeah, so they are definitely like looser now, so I could move my hair around and everything. I'm gonna just show you the different styles that I do with my hair. But anyways, I hope you enjoy the video and let's get started.
I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wet a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I can use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, and these niggas counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it for you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said a real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Hey, keep your legs close, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. They round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a pup. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass and thighs. So y'all savage, your baby daddy, no, not to try. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum.
so like it's giving cheerleader.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and
Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I have my retainers in. Ugh. I hope you enjoyed all the hairstyles that I showed you guys. Some were out of my comfort zone. I was honestly just doing it for y'all. To like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also click the bell so you get notified whenever I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit.